for Nvidia, they blew away Q1 results, but nobody cared. Basically, it's their second quarter guidance that got the most attention. And yes, the beats are getting smaller on the revenue guidance side, at least. But look, they were able to meet the buy side bogey, and all segments within data center, at least in Q1, showed strong performance. It wasn't just the CSP. So, but those were all expected things. Margins were very impressive. I think what surprised people was basically the stock split going to be in early June. The retail folks will be very, very happy about this. I'm sure they're already tweeting about it. In my opinion, I'm more concerned about Blackwell. And, Jensen tried his best to alleviate some of the concerns around that particular chip timing. And he was very enthusiastic.
What is that? For those neophytes like me on technology, what is Blackwell?
Yeah, it's their latest gen chip. It used to be Hopper with the H100s, and now it's going to be B100s coming on later this year. It's called Blackwell Series B, as in B100 chips. It's NVIDIA's latest AI accelerator chip. I think, people focus on that because some players may be potentially delaying purchases of the current H100s or and H200s coming later and waiting for B100s. But he seems to be pretty enthusiastic that they're going to be a lot of Blackwell sales later this year. I'm, as an analyst, I'm going to do my due diligence on that. This is why I'm going to Computex in 2 weeks, talk to a lot of suppliers there and figure out, where these semi-hardware names are going to go in the near term.
In English on that, again, it's like, okay, it's iPhone 3's coming. It's going to be better. You already have the iPhone 1. Why would you buy the iPhone 2? Is that right?
In some respects, right? But I mean, yeah, exactly. You if you want the latest and best product for your AI inference tests or even training, you want the latest and the best one. Why do you want an outdated chip at the moment, right? And outdated is a strong word when it comes to NVIDIA, but I think I made my point clear. Everybody wants the latest and best product.
Well, what is the spacing on iPhones as an analogy is much longer in between editions than these chips, correct? Like, how short is the cycle to get the latest and greatest?
It used to be longer, but now it's probably about a year or even less than a year, just because of the AI. Year? Well, in some cases. So things are speeding up. Even with Apple, they usually took their time, but because now, they're coming out with M4 chips later this year, it's supposed to be early next year. Again, they're expediting their roadmap just to catch up. So everybody's trying to be as fast as possible in launching their next gen type of product technology, and that's in the chip world too. So, every year we will probably anticipate a new NVIDIA chip. Right now it's the B series. I believe the R series is the next one. So at the moment, Blackwell is what everyone's focused on. And right now, Jensen seems pretty enthusiastic. He's got everybody on board. All the NVIDIA based plays, including Supermicro, are going to soar this morning. If you're an NVIDIA bull, today is probably a day to celebrate.
Hey there, Hedgeye Nation, or if you're not part of Hedgeye Nation, thanks for watching Hedgeye on YouTube. If you haven't already, make sure to click on the button below there. Subscribe to our YouTube page. You can also follow the link in the description to our website to get even more great investing content.